this ruling means that Syed will be allowed to introduce some new evidence, and it could ultimately lead to a new trial for him. I spoke with a lawyer who's not associated with this case, but he says this could take months or even years to all play out in court. Nothing about Adnan Syed's case is typical, including today's ruling.
Thousands of post-conviction petitions are filed a year. You can probably count on one hand the number that get this far.
Syed was convicted of murdering Woodlawn High School student Hae Min Lee in 2000. He says his trial lawyer was ineffective.
If there's a witness that the lawyer knows about, the lawyer at a minimum has to interview that witness.
In court papers, Syed's attorney, Justin Brown, says the trial lawyer didn't contact an alibi witness.
These letters were in Cristina Gutierrez's file from this woman saying, I was with Anand in the library at this time. He couldn't have killed this girl.
Gutierrez was later disbarred and has since died. Brown also says prosecutors' cell phone evidence was unreliable.
When you go back and look at the state's own evidence with respect to what the cell tower data showed about where he was and when he was there, it doesn't match up.
The judge decided that reopening post-conviction proceedings is in the interest of justice.
Those are two pretty serious grounds. I don't know how it will turn out, but they're not frivolous.
Syed's case captivated an audience on the Serial podcast.
What this case has really shown is both the strengths and really the weaknesses of the fact-finding process in criminal trials.
The hearing date hasn't been set. Now, if Syed does win in court, he would stay in prison, but he'd also get a new trial. At that point, the state could be willing to enter into some plea negotiations. The Office of the Maryland Attorney General is prosecuting this case. Tonight, a spokesman declined to comment on the judge's decision. Live in the newsroom, Vanessa Herring, WBAL TV 11 News.